Good morning, Biafrans, those of you here in Nigeria and those of you in the diaspora. My name is Nwada Eberechukwu Anigbogu, and I bring you a message from the office of the Solicitor of the Customary Government of Biafra in the person of Barrister Emeka Emekesiri. And this message is to all Biafrans in Nigeria and in the diaspora. And the message is on the joint 30th May anniversary celebration with members of Ani Igbo Development Foundation and Ohaneze Ndi Igbo at Enugu. This is to notify all the Biafrans living in Nigeria and in the diaspora that our annual celebration of 30th May in honor of our fallen heroes and in upholding our history and rich cultural heritage shall be a joint celebration at the Rocks Cathedral, Ogui, Enugu, with the participation of Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, Ani Igbo Development Foundation, and the coalition of the pro-Biafran groups. We have noted that some of the pro-Biafran groups have instructed their members to sit at home on that day. We respect their choice to commemorate the day by sitting at home, but we equally advise them to sit at home and not interfere with other people who will exercise their freedom to move around and attend our celebration at the Rocks Cathedral, Enugu, for the great event. The coalition of pro-Biafra groups shall hold a press conference at Enugu in the morning of 30th May 2019 by 10 a.m. and move to the Rocks Cathedral for the celebration. Thus, there shall be movement on that day, as some people shall come from various places within and outside Biafra land to attend the event at the Rocks Cathedral, Ogui, Enugu. This commemoration is a cultural event anchored upon our customary law. It is a day we shall remember our history, mourn our dead, and tell our children and grandchildren our stories by ourselves. We request for your cooperation and enjoin everybody to keep the peace. From Emeka Emekesiri, Esquire, for Customary Government of Biafra. Thank you and God bless you.